Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Minecraft and you keep getting this error, failed to connect to the server, connection refused with error code GetSockOPT, then you have come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your Minecraft easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here allow an app through Windows Firewall, you're going to open it up, you're going to click change settings on here, click allow another app, click browse on here, and then go to your Minecraft's directory. So I'm just going to use another game as an example, but you'll go to your Minecraft directory, click open, then click add on here, and after that you're going to find Minecraft on this list. And then what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that both private and public are ticked on, so like I have here. So just tick both of them on and click OK on here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu again, you're going to write here view network connections. You're going to select your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, it should say Ethernet. If you're on a wireless connection, it should say WLAN. You're going to click on your network connection, click change settings of this connection, go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties, click use the following DNS server addresses, write the preferred DNS server here 8.8.8.8, and in the alternate DNS you're going to write here 8.8.4.4. click OK, then click OK here as well, and then you can disable your network device. You're going to wait 15 to 20 seconds, and after that you're going to go ahead and enable your network device and let it reconnect. And once it's done connecting, then you're going to open Minecraft up and you're going to try to connect to the server, and you'll see that you will not get that GetSockOPT error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.